If your Opera browser is glitching when you try to view or save your Google search history, don't worry, this is usually a privacy or site data setting issue, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to adjust the right Opera setting so Google can properly store site data on your device, which often helps resolve search history problems and other browser behavior glitches. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Opera browser and look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Opera O logo there. Click that logo to open the main browser menu. From the list of options that appears, click on Settings. This will take you into Opera's full settings page where you can control privacy, security, and site permissions. Now on the left side menu panel, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls that affect cookies, browsing data, and how websites save information on your device. Once you're in Privacy and Security, move over to the main pane on the right-hand side and scroll down until you find Site Settings. Click on Site Settings to open the deeper browser permissions menu. Inside Site Settings, keep scrolling all the way to the bottom of the page until you see Additional Content Settings. Click it to expand the extra options. This is where Opera stores some of the more specific data and content controls that can affect website behavior. After expanding that section, click on On-Device Site Data. This setting is important because it controls whether websites are allowed to save data locally on your device. Now you should see an option that says Allow sites to save data on your device. Make sure the circle next to that option is selected. If it is not already enabled, click it to turn it on. Once this is selected, Opera will allow websites like Google to store the data they need more reliably, which can help fix the glitch you were seeing with search history and related browsing behavior. After making the change, you can close the settings page and go back to Google to test it again. In many cases, this one adjustment is enough to stop the issue and get everything working normally again. If you want, you can also restart Opera after changing the setting just to make sure the update fully applies. And that's it, you've now fixed the Opera browser Google search history glitch by allowing sites to save data on your device. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick fix like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.